Hi, I'm David Svoboda, a software security engineer in the SEI's secure coding team. Software vulnerabilities are a major threat to our nation's mission-critical systems. We can use static analysis to find exploitable flaws in source code, but these static analysis alerts must be audited manually to distinguish genuine vulnerabilities, that is, true positives, from false positives. However, most codebases generate too many static analysis alerts to audit them all manually. And even if we knew which alerts are true positives, there are still too many alerts to repair them all manually. In a recent internal code analysis, we discovered that auditing all alerts generated for the average C or C++ codebase and repairing the true positives would take 3.43 person years. That's a lot of effort. Our goal is to automatically repair at least 80% of each security-relevant defect category of static analysis alerts. We handle false positives by repairing them, just like the true positives. Our code repairs are intended to preserve soundness and eliminate alerts if the code is reanalyzed. If you're interested in learning more about our research and how we can help your organization handle the deluge of static analysis alerts, watch my research review presentation or reach out to us at info@sei.cmu.edu.